It's me, Handyman Hal. I hope you're doing absolutely awesome today. Check this out. We're here at Field in Goose Creek, South Carolina. And we've got an awesome job to do today. We get to prepare these fields for baseball season. Handyman Hal loves baseball. And of course, the first thing we gotta do, of course, is cut some of this grass with this awesome mower. Check this out. This is a precision mower. Do you know why? Because it cuts grass very precise. And it's got a really cool engine. Check this out. Oh yeah. Of course, being a precision mower, you gotta have a really cool engine. Look at this. It's a really cool engine. We've got a radiator right here. Let's see. We've got our alternator there. And this cool thing, this is the exhaust. It's like the muffler. That's great. Really cool. Come over here. This is how a lot of it operates. Look at all of these hoses here. Runs off of hydraulics and not with belts like a typical lawnmower would. That's really, really cool. What's really interesting is this mower has 3 wheels. There's one here, one on the other side, and then there's one on the back. But what makes this a precision mower is this wheel, because it makes the lawnmower spin around really, really quick and fast. It's really cool. Come look up here. Is where all the magic happens. These are the mower decks. There's 3 of them. There's one here, here, and there's one underneath the seat. That's great. And underneath the bottom, that's where the blades are. And they spin around really, 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 really fast. And that's what cuts the grass. We've got our hydraulics on the top that actually operate the blades. It's really cool. And these decks, we can lower them down and we can lift them up and we can move them to the left and to the right. How awesome is that? Let's go try it out. Come on. Oh yeah, this is gonna be great. Let's get right up here into the driver's seat. Oh yeah. What's really neat about this mower, it has a seat belt. Safety first. We've got our steering wheel. And look, we've even got some pedals. We've got a forward pedal and we've got a reverse pedal. That's awesome. Well, let's get this thing on and check out these mower decks. All right, so we gotta turn the key and we gotta wait for the engine to warm up and the hydraulics to warm up, and then we can turn it on. It's almost there. It's coming, there it goes. There it is. Yes. All right, let's check out these decks here. You ready? We can lower it, just like that. That's great. And we can raise it up. Check this, this is really cool. We can move it to the left. And we can move it to the right. That's awesome. Well, let's turn on the blades and then we gotta get to cutting. Right, here we go. Oh yeah. Let's get this field ready for baseball season. Let's slow it down and let's go. Look at this field. Isn't this awesome? Can you see all of the lines? This precision mower does an awesome job, right? Well, let's go get this back into the shop and see what else we gotta do. Let's go. All right, now my friends, we've gotta rake the infield. We gotta make sure that it's nice and smooth and looks really, really good for our ball players. All right, so we got our rake. Let's get it nice and clean now. Oh yeah. Whew. Whew. This might take a long time. Ooh, okay.
Much better idea, Hal.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is gonna be great. Yes.
Hop on?
Yeah, let's try it. I'll trade you.
All right, good deal.
There we go.
Thank you.
Check this out, my friends. This is the field groomer. Oh, come on, let's go. Oh, wow, this is great. Amazing. Getting the job done. Oh, we're making this look great. Oh, wow. My friends, isn't this thing awesome? This is called a field groomer, better known as Big Red. Do you know what this does? This actually drags the field and makes it look really nice and smooth. Oh yeah, it's a two-step process. The first thing is this right here. Look at this. You see this pipe with all of these long spikes sticking out of it? Those are called tines. And you know what it's like? It's like a humongous rake. Goes from this side all the way to the other side, and it breaks up all of the big stuff. Oh, and it goes up and down, all the way down to the dirt. It's really cool. And then the second part of the process is this back here. Look, this is called the drag mat. Look at this. This is really neat. It's like a metal net. And what this does is it lowers down, and it covers up the tire tracks, and it makes the field really nice and smooth. Oh, come on, let me show you how this works. This is great. Come on in. Yep, we've got to crank it up first. Here we go. Oh yeah. Now, the tines, we can drop those. Oh, just like that right there. With this amazing lever. Yep, and that's like the rake. It rakes all of the big stuff. And then, we can drop this. Here we go. Check that out. And that's what drags across the dirt and makes it really smooth. And then we can lift it back up. Check this out. Just like that. That's awesome. Well, let's finish the field. Come on, let's go. Wow, it's making the field look awesome. Oh, my friends, wow. Wow, we're having such an awesome day here at the field. And the field groomer did great. Well, we got the field all drugged. Now, we just gotta go get the bases. Let's lift these up. Yep. Come on, let's go. Wow, that was awesome. Oh, now we gotta put out our bases. Wait, these bases don't look right. They're supposed to be white. Oh, Handyman's got a plan. Base coat. Oh, we've got to spray paint them. We got to make them white. Oh, so we got to spray paint. Let's see here. See if we can do this. Oh yeah, this looks great. Oh, here we go. Oh, these are gonna look great. Well, I painted that one first. It should be first base. All right, let's see. Let's do this one. Well, that was the second one done. Huh, second base. Oh, let's do the last one. It would be third base. Oh, wow, did you know Then we spray paint bases so they'll be nice and bright and white so the players can see them on the field, right? Oh yeah. These are looking great. I think they'll be able to see them on the field, don't you? Oh yeah. Wow, look. Let's see, 1, 2. This is second base. Oh, check this out. Oh, ooh, that's a nice bright white base compared to this third, right? Oh, check this out. This is a whisker plug. You know what this is? This actually shows where the base is gonna go. Because whenever we drag the field, that way we don't cover up the hole where the base goes. So this is what we have to do. We gotta pull it up just slightly, just like that. Oh, yep. And we gotta use our digger tool here. Check this out. We gotta get all of the excess dirt away from the sides of it, just like that. All right. Oh, yep, perfect. And then pull it straight up. Oh, that's neat. That's awesome. And now we just gotta clean the inside out. Here we go, like this. Oh, look, see? Get all of the dirt out of there. That way, the base slides right inside of that. Really easy. All right, there we go. Perfect. Now we just slide it right inside the hole here, right? Just like that right there. That's perfect. On to the next bases. Awesome job. Let's go. Perfect. Oh, well, my friends, we got one thing left to do before we can play on this baseball field. And that is line the field with this. This is a chalker. What we've got to do is we got to make one line all the way down each side of the field. It's called the foul line. So that's how we know if it's a foul ball or not. Oh, check this. Inside this chalker is chalk. Oh, it's almost like the chalk that we'd use for a chalkboard. Oh, so cool. All right, now, what we gotta do is we gotta stay really close to this string line all the way down. If you got an option between a 2-inch line and a 4-inch line. And the foul line is 4 inches. There it is. Can you see? Look, we're making the line. Now we've got to go all the way down to the end of the field. Come on, let's go.
Leading off is Handyman Hal. Hal sets into the batter's box and gets into his stance. This season has been a very productive one for Hal. He's got a batting average of .330. He's got 100 RBIs. And did I mention he can also change his own oil and fix a leaky toilet? Wow, he looks ready. Here comes the pitch. It's hammered deep. It's way back. Going, gone!
Oh, wow. We've had such an awesome day today. Here at the field, we got it all ready for baseball season. We cut the grass. We put out the bases. That was a lot of fun.
Yep.
Oh, and we used the field groomer. We drug the field to make it really nice and pretty and smooth.
Yeah.
It was great. Oh, and now I'm here with my friend Cole, and we're gonna play a little bit of baseball. We're gonna hit the ball and throw it. It's gonna be great. Well, thanks for watching Handyman Hal today. We'll see you later.
Cause we're awesome, 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 awesome. Yeah, we're awesome, 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 yes we are. And we're smart and we're cute, we're even awesome when we toot. Excuse me. We're awesome, 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 awesome. We're awesome, 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 awesome. We'll have fun, me and you. Being awesome's what we do.
on, come on.
Awesome, awesome, awesome,
Yeah!
awesome.
How's a handyman? A handyman that's got a plan. How's a handyman? If he can't fix it, no one can. Hal has tools today. Gonna repair it right away. Hal, he's our pal. Come and play with Handyman Hal.
Handyman Hal is your most trusted handyman for all your repair needs. Need an amazing lemonade stand? How about help with learning shapes and colors? Trouble fueling your airplane? Handyman Hal can do it all. No job is too big or small for Handyman Hal. Whether your car wash needs repair or you need to get rid of some expired groceries, you can count on Handyman Hal. Give him a call today. The handyman that's got a plan. Handyman Hal. Handyman Hal is a fun kids show, and we want to say thanks for watching.